how to make checklist in Notion. So first open up Notion and then just open up your page that you want to add a checklist to. So for example, this one. Now if you want to add a checklist here, you can just click on here and then you can just hover your mouse over to the left side and then click on this plus icon here. Then just scroll down, look for to-do list like this, and then you just need to type in your list here. So for example, I want to buy groceries, and then for the next one just press enter, and then you'll have another box here, and then just type in another one that you want to do for this date. So let's say study for exam, and then just so on and so forth. Okay, so once you've done that, so let's say you're done doing groceries, you can just click on this one, the checkbox, and there you go. It will just do something like this. You can just check each box to say that you're done with it. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.